practice. Underline the gerund phrases. If there is no gerund phrase, do not underline. Preparing for the Olympics took more time than I thought it would. Is there a gerund phrase in this sentence? Preparing for the Olympics is the gerund phrase. Eating small meals throughout the day can help you avoid hunger pains. Is there a gerund phrase in this sentence? Yes, there is. Eating small meals throughout the day is the gerund phrase. A danger to motorists is driving under the influence. Is there a gerund phrase in this sentence? Yes, there is. Driving under the influence is the gerund phrase. The fish was swimming in the lake. Is there a gerund phrase in this sentence? Time is up. There is no gerund phrase in this sentence. Was swimming is actually a verb phrase, not a gerund phrase. My dog enjoys barking at strangers. Is there a gerund phrase in this sentence? Barking at strangers is the gerund phrase in this sentence. Riding my donkey around town is my favorite hobby. The gerund phrase in this sentence is riding my donkey around town. Elsa's favorite hobby is playing the trombone. Playing the trombone is a gerund phrase. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye bye bye.